Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, we are going to convert an image to a Word document so that you can edit the text, copy it and format it and paste it anywhere you want. So as you can see, I have an image here. There are some text in the image and I want to copy and paste the text to my LinkedIn. And before that, I also want to edit the text, but I cannot do it because it's an image file. So first I have to convert it to editable text. So how would I do that? Let me show you. So first we are going to create a new Word document. Let's open it and just drag and drop the image file. As you can see, this is an image and we cannot edit it. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to export that file to PDF. I'm checking this so that you can see the PDF. Now you can see the PDF. Let me close this and let me close this Word document too because we don't need that. Let me delete it also. Now right click on the PDF and go to open with and click Word. Open with in a Word document and hit OK. Let me enlarge it so that you can see. Now you can see the text are now editable and you can copy paste the text. You can format the text. You can do whatever you want to do with the text. Actually, when we converts an image to PDF and then we open that PDF with Word document, Word actually grabs the text and makes it editable. So if you like this video, if you like the content, please subscribe, share and like, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.